What's up, guys? Just got a fresh cut, if you can't tell. Also growing out this mustache. Anyways, so I decided I'm gonna cook up this gator meat today. Took like a week to get back from the processor. I honestly don't even think it was that long, maybe like 4 or 5 days. But picked that up, got it thawed out. I'm gonna grill it up tonight. So I'm trying to stay away from like fried foods. I'm on this like health kick. They gave me a baller recipe at the processor, and it was fried. So I'll try it eventually. I'm just right now still like trying to lose weight. I've lost 67 pounds so far. Anyway, they recommended everglade seasoning, and so did Deer Meat for Dinner. I watched a video that he cooked up some gator. So I got that at Publix. Looks super good. They also had a heat one. I got that too. And then I forgot my charcoal, so I'm going back right now to get that. But I'm gonna season it up, grill it, and then we're going over to a young adults like board game night tonight with some people from our church. I'm gonna take some gator over there, see if they like it. But hopefully it tastes good. Look good on Deer Meat for Dinner's video. I think that was like an old video too. He tried it fried and grilled. Obviously the fried looks super good, but I'm gonna try it grilled because that's the healthier option. Got the charcoal. This is the only bag of charcoal they had. I didn't even know they had that. Sounds pretty good though. Hopefully it. Gonna get them charcoals rolling. Their coals rolling. Holy crap, that shifted a little hard. Time for a new truck. No, I'm just kidding. I just got this truck. Guys, I can't make this crap up. So I just drove. I went to the store to get the seasoning. Forgot the charcoal. Got home and forgot or realized that I have a bag of charcoal. So now I don't know if I want to use that charcoal or this charcoal. Guess I'm gonna try this because it's just fate that I had to go get it. And that's one that it chose. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna get the coals rolling, and then I'm gonna come back in, spice it all up, and should be ready. So let's go do that. All right. Probably just like sprayed water all over it. Some of these charcoals, I guess that's like the garlic seasoning one, like these right here. That hurt. Like they just look dirty. They don't even look like. All right, that's wrong. They don't really look like seasoned. It kind of looks like somebody dropped it. Kind of looks like somebody dropped it in the mud with a bunch of like hay or something. So anyways, I'm gonna go in now, start the seasoning. Those should take probably, I don't know, 15 minutes, they'll be ready. Gator meat. I think I got like 20 pounds of it. So off a 8-foot gator, 20 pounds, all white meat. I don't know, it looks pretty good. I've never cooked gator meat. That's why I watch the videos and got recipes. Again, I got Everglades Heat, Everglades Original. I'm gonna put Everglades Seasoning Original on all of it. Then a few pieces I'm gonna put the heat on because not a lot of people like hotness. I like hotness. So spicy stuff. I might have some garlic powder. Get the garlic powder, put that on there. Remember, no butter. No butter. So I'm shooting this video. I sold my camera, my big camera. Had a Canon 80D. Trying to upgrade to the Sony a7S III or the Sony FX3. If anybody's got any opinions on those, go ahead and leave a comment so I know which one. I think I'm gonna go with the FX3 though. So hopefully your opinion is that. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this open, put it in the bowl, drain the juice out of it. Not all of it. So right now I'm videoing on the GoPro Hero 9. Before that, on other clips, I'm recording on just cinematic mode on my phone. It honestly doesn't look too bad on cinematic mode on your phone. So, white gator meat in the bowl. I was wondering how it was gonna come out. Like, It's actually a lot more, little nuggets, little tenders, stuff like that. Sweet. Okay. Did not know what to expect. So, alright, wish you guys could see I have this camera propped up because it's literally propped up on like some decoration that my wife has with a bag of Skittles holding it up. I gotta get a phone holder. All right, that's actually a lot of gator meat. I'm gonna start with that because I mean this is a pretty big bowl and it's already full. So, do a little garlic powder. Lots of, gotta open it. Let's do this. Whoop. I'm gonna mix all that up. Like I said, not a lot of people like heat. I like heat, so we're gonna do original on all of it. I'll probably just dump the heat on pieces like once I get out there. I'm not a chef either. Like, honestly, we never cook. So, y'all might be like watching this video and like, really? Like, that is not how you put seasoning on, or that's not how you mix it all, whatever. I'm doing it the only way I know how. I'm pretty good at cooking burgers or hot dogs, mac and cheese. No, actually, my wife cooks the mac and cheese a little more than I do. But she doesn't eat meat. So she used to love my burgers. She will one day again. I make a mean burger. She can't resist it. I just hadn't grilled in a long time, especially since we're on this diet. I've been eating like nothing but steak and oh my goodness, steak, broccoli, maybe some potatoes, and then she's been on it too. Like I said, her diet's just a little bit different than mine. So, my dog literally just threw it. Anyways, her diet's a little bit different than mine. You know what? No, I'm gonna go ahead and put the heat in there. Can't hurt to have a little heat. Like dump the whole bowl in there. Okay. That looks good to me. Judging off of cooking steaks and stuff like that, again, I don't know if you'd want to get more seasoning on gator meat. I have no idea. Like I said, I watched videos. I showed a little bit. Just trying to show my process and then just give you guys a review of how good it tastes. Everybody says the Everglades is the way to go when you're cooking gator meat. Whew. Okay, so the charcoal, the garlic, onion charcoal smells great. Oh my gosh, not that close to being ready yet. But it's smelling good. I feel like I've been in the house for like 30 minutes, but we're all ready and the charcoal's down. It smells great though, honestly. I wish you guys could smell it. Like it smells, I can smell like the onion in it hardcore. And I don't even like onions, but that smells good. So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and we'll put it on the grill. All right, not waiting on the charcoal forever. So we're gonna put some of this on there. This feels really like chewed up. I've never felt gator meat before, so this is definitely different. So we're gonna give it 5 minutes on each side. I'm thinking we're gonna look at it, about 5 minutes on each side as of right now. It's looking pretty good. I got it covered, smoking nice. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna try this. I don't know if I can get that to focus on there. Pretty dang good, honestly. I mean, that's done. Only thing, I think it's a little salty. I think I put too much garlic powder in it. Yep. So the next bit, I'm not gonna put that much garlic powder in it. I'm like a grill master, man, honestly. Cook the best burgers. Never cooked deer meat. Man, I cooked some baller duck like a couple months ago. I had some in the freezer left over from last duck season. And I was really shocked. Like, it's the best. If I have a picture of it, I'll put it up on the video. Like, it just looks so good. All right, so this one has the Everglade seasoning and the heat on it and garlic powder. And this one's just Everglade seasoning. Honestly, like, this one's really salty. Maybe a little bit of spice to it, but not a lot. This one's perfect. Like, obviously, I think still if we had like butter and garlic or grilled garlic cloves and everything like that, it would be, you know, even better. But it's pretty good. Like, I'm gonna eat it, and I think everybody else will. Oh yeah. Let me see. I think it's about perfect right there. Not gonna lie, it could be a little overcooked. I can't tell. It's a little dry. But we didn't use like butter or anything, so I think it tastes great. I don't know. I like the one with the heat in it, but like I said, it's a little over the top salty. Let me see if I can find a little piece. No, even with the salt, I think if you put some garlic powder and heat on it, just don't overdo it. That's the way to go. So that one for me wins. So it has Everglade heat, and a little bit of garlic powder. Well, maybe a lot of garlic powder because it's pretty salty. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. It looks pretty good to me. Like I said, it's probably a little overdone. First time cooking it, but I like it. I've had a few like meat that I've hunted that I'm not too fond of. Like, not gonna lie, certain deer meat, like some certain ways it's cooked, I don't really care for it. Deer, like summer sausage and breakfast sausage and jerky is like the bomb to me, especially if you get like summer sausage, cheddar jalapeno. Oh yeah, that's the way to go. But gator is pretty good. We got one more tag to fill. We're going to California in 2 days for my birthday. That's why Ashley's not here right now. She's actually shopping. I need a shirt or two. But going to California, we're going to come back and then go out there. We got like 4 weeks left of gator season. We're going to try to get one more gator. We're going to try to get nothing but like 10 plus foot, hopefully, and a fat one. This last one was really skinny. Still fun. I would, wouldn't trade it because we actually killed a gator. But, yep, that's my gator review. I highly suggest if you're going to cook gator, this Everglade seasoning. If you guys got recipes, drop them in the comments. I'll try them on another video. Thank you.